Okay, one thing I didn't show is I got some saddlebag bars put on here. Just for protection maybe a little bit. They look pretty ugly, but I know somebody that tipped their bike over, so I decided to just put some bars on. They aren't too expensive. They were 300 bucks installed, so that wasn't too bad. They did it at Harley shop. And but that with the I installed the luggage rack. And Chunky River, Harley does most of my work. They're good, reasonable, and don't make me wait too long. So here's the fairing with the graphite protection on it. Can't see it real well, it's backlit. Seems to do a pretty good job. Ride safe.